Welcome to Excel in You. Let's work on formatting our sheets within Excel. When you first open Excel, your sheet will automatically be named Sheet 1. This is seen at the bottom left corner of your Excel workbook. To create new sheets for new information, go to the plus button next to Sheet, and you can create as many worksheets as you would like within Excel. To rename a worksheet so you can better identify what data is housed within it, we can right-click on that worksheet, choose Rename, and then type in the new name. We can also double-click on the name of the worksheet to rename it. To copy a worksheet, we have a couple of different options. I can Control-A to copy all, use the down arrow from the corner of the worksheet, copy, and then paste onto a new worksheet. A little faster, I can select the worksheet I want to copy, hold Control, and drag that worksheet to a new location. I now have an exact copy of my data worksheet where I can play around with entering new information, formulas, and other formatting to see if I like it before allowing that to become my main worksheet. If I have worksheets that I no longer need, I can delete them. I will right-click on the name of that worksheet and hit Delete. It will ask me if I want to permanently delete, and I say OK. To move a worksheet around so that it's in a better location visibly, I can drag the worksheet to a new location, or I can manually go to Move or Copy. This is another way of copying your data, by the way. This will ask me where I want to move the sheet before. So if I want to move data before Sheet 2, I'm going to leave it selected on Sheet 2 and click OK. Now data has simply been moved to a new location. If I want to copy data into a new location manually, I can go to Move or Copy, select my new location. I'm going to choose Move to End, and I'm going to click Create a Copy, and click OK. There's now a copy of my data at the end of the worksheets. If I have a worksheet that I need to keep in my workbook, but I don't want others to be able to see or modify, I'm going to hide that worksheet. I can right-click on the worksheet, choose Hide. It's no longer available to select. I know that it's there because I created it, so when I need to go back and work in that worksheet again, I'm going to right-click on any worksheet that's available and choose Unhide, and then select the worksheet that I want unhidden. This is just a few ways of managing your worksheets for better workflow. Let me know how you like to manage your worksheets for your use case. Have a great day.